Meet Rajiv, a 35-year-old engineer, living a happy life with his wife and daughter. One bike accident, 6 days in ICU, and his entire 12 lakh life saving disappeared. Why? Because Rajiv thought health insurance was just another expense. What if I told you? It's the one thing that could save your family from a lifetime of financial pain. It was a sunny day. Rajiv took his bike out like always. At a signal, a speeding SUV hit him. Without seconds, he was unconscious, rushed to the hospital, diagnosed with fractured ribs, liver injury, internal bleeding. He survived, but his hospital bill pays 12 lakh, no health insurance. He had to break his fixed deposit, stop SIPs, take a loan for his daughter's school fees, a lifetime of saving wiped out in 6 days. Most people say health insurance is expensive, but is it? A 10 lakh policy for a 30-year-old couple cost 8,000 a year. That's just 22 rupees a day, less than your evening chai and samosa. Meanwhile, medical inflation in India is rising at 10% every year. A 5 lakh surgery today could cost 15 lakh in 10 years. Can your saving keep up, or do you want to leave your family's future to chance? Or you want to give them a very good future, so it's in your hand to take insurance or not. Let's bust the 5 most dangerous myths about health insurance that are silently draining your future wealth. You may have heard them, believed them, or even said them, but after this, you will never look at health insurance the same way again. Myth number 1: I am healthy, I don't need it. That's like saying I never had a fire, so I don't need fire insurance. Emergencies never send invites. Accidents, sudden illness, surgeries, they can happen to anyone, anytime. The time to buy health insurance is when you don't need it, not when it's too late. One hospitalization can wipe out your savings. Why take the risk? Myth number 2: my company give insurance. Sure, employer health insurance is great, but have you checked the fine print? Does it cover your parents, spouse, children? Most don't. And what happens when you switch job or retire? You will lose coverage, and by then, personal insurance may become too expensive or even unavailable due to age or health issues. You may have a backup personal health policy. So sometime it also happens that there is firing nowadays. There is very less job security. So you lost your job. So at the moment your job is gone, your health insurance will be gone. The time when you need most the health insurance, it would not be there. So it's better to have your personal health insurance. Myth number 3: it's complicated. It used to be, but today platforms like Policybazaar, Ditto, and even government portals help you compare and choose in minutes. Just check 3 things: sum insured, hospital networks, and waiting period. We will show you how in the next section. Myth number 4: insurance never pays. This one hurts the most. People say this when claims get rejected, usually due to exclusion they don't read. Every policy has terms, pre-existing condition, wait time, room rent limits, non-payable items. So understand them or let a licensed advisor explain. When you choose wisely, insurance does pay. So you have to choose the insurance wisely and also read all the terms and see what are covered and what things are not covered. So choose the best insurance that covers all things. So myth number 5 is I will buy it later. Later might be too late. Even years you wait, your premium increases, and worse, your risk profile changes. Diabetes, hypertension, or even a bad blood report can lead to higher premium or outright rejection. So the best time to get health insurance yesterday, the next best time today. Now let's discuss the steps to choose the right medical insurance. Let's simply choose the right health insurance. No jargon, no just clarity. Step 1. Start with basic individual plus family floater. If you are single, get an individual plan. But if you have a family, go for a family floater. One premium covers all. It's cost effective and flexible. Step 2. Minimum 10 lakh coverage. With rising medical cost, even one hospital visit can cost lakhs. Aim for at least 10 lakh coverage. This is the sweet spot for urban Indians. If budget is tight, start with 5 lakh and top it up later. Stage 3. Large cashless hospital networks. Always choose an insurer with a wide cashless hospital network. This means you don't need to pay upfront. Just swipe your card and get treated. More hospitals is equal to more convenience in emergencies. Step 4. No claim bonus. This is a hidden gem. For every year you don't claim, your coverage increases without extra premium. A 10 lakh plan can become 15 to 20 lakh in 4 to 5 years. Huge benefit for staying healthy. So this feature I have used the most. So I have taken the premium of 10 lakhs, coverage of 10 lakh, and now my coverage is around 15 lakhs. So it's the very good feature. If you don't take the claim, so you will get the no claim bonus. So it's add up accumulating, and this is the best thing. So when you need more in your older age, so there you will have large cover in the small premium. So step number 5. Understand waiting periods and exclusion. Many people get shocked at claim time because they don't read this. Even policy has waiting period 2 to 3 years for pre-existing illness, and some diseases or treatment are excluded. Know them in advance. So clearly read all the documents, or please consult your advisor so that they will give you the best plan which you know what all diseases are covered and which all are not covered. So there are some also add-ons which you can take if you want those diseases to be covered. So yeah, wisely choose them. Step 6. Use trusted platforms like Policybazaar or Ditto. These platforms have compare plans side by side, give unbiased guidance, and even assist during claims. Instead of running around, get clarity and peace of mind. So final tip would be, don't chase the cheapest, buy the most value packed policy, because when illness strikes, the right coverage saves your health and your wealth. Rajiv now shares his story to others. He says, if I had spent rupees 600 per month earlier, I would still have my life saving today. You work hard, you save hard, but one emergency can erase it all. Health insurance isn't an expense, it's a shield. Want to know more about how India's top CEOs protect their families with insurance? Click on the next video where I will break down their secret strategy. So if you like this advice, financial advice, please subscribe to my channel Finance Sikho India for more such financial advice that will help you in planning your money and save your money. Thank you. Bye bye.